Okay, so here are our ingredients all laid out. First, we'll need water. Here's our water. And then we have our dry active yeast. Now our yeast is a hungry beast and it needs sugar to be fed. And we have our extra virgin olive oil and salt. We're gonna start with our lukewarm water. So let's pour our lukewarm water in the bowl. Next, let's add the yeast. Next, we're gonna mix that with the dough hook. And then let's add our sugar. From there, we're gonna add the flour, little by little. Did I say that we're using a high protein flour? But all purpose is good too. All right, here's some more. And then the last of it. Then we mix. Now for the EVO, extra virgin olive oil. Now let's add our salt. Isn't she pretty? There we have it. Now let's work. We're rounding the dough, which is important to make it easier to work with. Once the dough is rounded and made into a ball, it makes it much easier to make the round pizza shape. So soft and so smooth. All right, let's work this dough out. Or is the dough working me out? Here we're stretching the dough out. Stretch it out, stretch it out. Then we use our fists to stretch it out even further. And you just go round and round. All right, there we have it. Now let's dress the baby. So we're gonna start with our marinara sauce that we made the marinara video for. Then we're putting on our fresh mozzarella for a margherita pizza with our basil. And it's as simple as that for the margherita. And here we go. Here we have it, our margherita pizza. Then we're gonna move on to our supreme combo. I love supreme pizzas, my favorite. So we have our marinara sauce again, and we're gonna put some mozzarella on. Then we're gonna add sausage and pepperoni. I love pepperoni. And then we have our green peppers and our mushrooms. And last but not least, our onions. So that is our supreme pizza. Here we go. There it is. So I really hope that you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Later.